Hello, I'm Dr. Lenny Roberts from Roberts Family and Sports Chiropractic, located in the Roxborough section of Philadelphia. Today I'm here to talk with you about proactive versus reactive approaches to health. Oftentimes in our society, we hear information, whether it be on television, the radio, or from other friends, about reactive approaches towards treating symptoms. Symptoms are warning signs that our body's not happy with things we're doing to it. So for instance, if you suffer from a headache, you may be told to take a certain medication, whether it's Tylenol or a more prescription-oriented medication that may be stronger. Something's going on in your body that's giving you a headache. Oftentimes it may be from things like dehydration, poor posture, lack of oxygenation. In my estimation, it's essential to take a proactive approach towards taking care of your health rather than a reactive approach. In our society, we're bombarded with these different types of pharmaceutical commercials that if you suffer from XYZ condition, you need to take this to get healthy. That's a reactive approach. Very similar to if you think about a smoke detector going off in your house because of a fire. If you take the batteries out of the smoke detector, sure, the alarm's going to stop going off. But is that going to do anything to prevent the fire from spreading through your house and destroying it? The same concept applies to your body. When you have symptoms or warning signs that something's going on, it's imperative for you to understand what's going on with your body and things that you can do on a proactive level to prevent them from happening again. In the United States, we spend by far more money than any other industrialized nation on what's supposed to be healthcare. Unfortunately, we're becoming less and less healthy with things like diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and cancer continuing to be epidemics in spite of all the money that we've spent on what's supposed to be healthcare. Now understand, many of these different medications and medical advances have prolonged and enhanced people's qualities of life when they are very sick. But it's not healthcare in my opinion. Health comes from within. It's not an outside in, rather it's an inside out expression of our life. The billions and billions of dollars that we spend in the United States on what's supposed to be healthcare has been ineffective. So much so that according to a World Health Organization study, the United States was ranked 37th out of 191 industrialized countries. This is like a golf score, where obviously the lower, the better. Countries like France and Italy far surpass the United States healthcare numbers. Again, in my opinion, it's essential for us to take proactive approaches rather than reactive approaches towards taking care of our health. Proactive approaches can be from things like brushing your teeth to prevent tooth decay, exercising regularly, a minimum of 3 times a week for 30 minutes per session, eating a well-balanced diet, getting adequate sleep, having positive interactions with friends and family members. These are all things that can benefit you by stimulating things called endorphins or feel-good hormones that are found within our own bodies, in each and every one of us. This proactive approach, rather than the reactive, if it ain't broke, don't fix it mentality, in my opinion, can enhance one's quality of life and well-being. Reactive approaches include medications for any and all types of symptoms, versus proactive approaches to ensuring that your health is maximized. In my opinion, chiropractic care is an essential component for having a proactive approach towards one's life. Taking care of your spine and nervous system, because you're only going to have one spine throughout the course of your life. It's not like teeth where you can get replacements. You only have one spine and one nervous system, and that is an essential component of a proactive lifestyle. So to recap, it is essential for things like diet and exercise to be an ongoing, proactive approach to taking care of your health. I'm Dr. Lenny Roberts from Roberts Family and Sports Chiropractic, inviting you to be proactive rather than reactive in your approach to health and well-being. It makes much more sense to take care of your body now rather than wait for it to fall apart and try and do something about it later.